I grabbed this pumpkin and candle holder from Dollar Tree. I painted the pumpkin with ivory colored chalk paint by Waverly. I gave it 2 coats, and when drying it, make sure to not leave the heat on it too long because it will bubble the styrofoam. The candle holder I painted with 2 coats of ink colored chalk paint, also by Waverly. I then took the pumpkin once it was completely dry and started penciling in the outline of Jack's face. I did 2 large ovals facing outward, 2 small ovals for the nose facing inward, and then drew a line for the mouth. I took my Posca paint markers and filled in the eyes and the nose, and I did go over those each twice. If you don't have these, a Sharpie would work just fine. And once I had the eyes and nose on, the mouth was too low, so I erased that and did that over, kind of making sure that the mouth ends right on the outside of both of the eyes. I then filled that in with the black marker again, just taking my time, going nice and slow, making sure to stay in the line I had made. And then the center of the mouth I made a little bit bigger, and then went along the whole mouth and did stitching across, just lines throughout the whole mouth. And I took this round piece of styrofoam and cut around it to make it smaller. I didn't want it overly big. And painted that with the black chalk paint as well, just so you couldn't see that bright white. I then hot glued that to the candle holder, which it did end up popping off, so I added additional quick hold glue just to make sure it stayed on there. Hot glued on the pumpkin on top of that, and then took this floral pick also from Dollar Tree and cut the flowers off of it and filled in around the styrofoam, kind of going at a downward angle so it didn't cover the face. And from the flower pick, I cut off one of the excess stems so I could have that to attach my little bow. I used some white and black ribbon, cut 3 strips, and then cut those in half. This is 2.5-inch wired ribbon, and I just cut it down the center. And then I'm taking each piece and pinching it in the center and crisscrossing it in my hands in the shape of an X. Added in some white raffia as well, and then wrapped some twine around there and tied it nice and tight. And then left that twine long and took that stem and folded it in half. And this will be used to attach it to the styrofoam. So the twine is being wrapped around the folded part of that stem, and then also fluff up the ribbon and kind of scrunch up the raffia, and then turn it back around and hot glue the stem to that bow. I removed one of the flowers so the bow fit right, and then took that flower and a piece of it from the front of it and hot glued that to the center of the bow. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.